Install Chrome extension on Android. So I'm using Realme device. Go to Play Store and search Lemur browser. With this application, you can install any Chrome extension easily. Let me show you a quick demo. For example, I am using music mode for YouTube with the help of Lemur browser, which can support extensions. So now if you are using it for first time, then go to this four boxes and then click on a Chrome. Here you can see this is a Chrome Web Store. So with the help of Chrome Web Store and with the help of Lemur browser, you can install any Chrome extension you want. Mostly will work. Maybe there are 10 or 20% apps which may not work. I can't guarantee that they will work because this app is not officially supported by Chrome Web Store. Okay, this app use some tweaks or some kind of I don't know how it worked, but it is working in mostly Chrome Web Store apps. So you can try. After clicking on add to Chrome, you will be able to see remove from Chrome. That means this app is now ready to use. So here you can find it by tapping on this four boxes, or you can call it for windows. And here you can see extensions, and you will be able to find those extensions which you install added to Chrome. So click on any of these. So you can see this one is not working. As I said before, there are some extensions which may not work due to compatibility. Chrome App Store are meant to use in Windows or Mac, but not in Android. But there are some developer which do some work and tweak the